Since the storms began, Metro Fire air operations have been working around the clock, ready when needed to rescue people from the air. Fox 40's Kristen Vartan joins us live after getting an inside look at their helicopter headquarters. Kristen.
Well, Eric, over the last week or so, Metro Fire air crews have been working 24/7, and soon they'll go from having one air crew to 4 helicopters.
That individual was swept away from his car and he was pinned against a tree. He was extremely hypothermic, elderly male, and was in a very bad position when we found him.
Video showing Metro Fire Sacramento saving over a dozen people by air. 2 or 3 of those rescued barely escaped with their lives and were transported to the hospital in critical condition.
With extreme winds, very poor weather conditions, but we're very fortunate and we're very happy that we were able to rescue him kind of in the nick of time.
But not everyone made it.
It was kind of a perfect storm of having the holiday and a lot of out-of-town traffic passing through with a closed freeway, and people were being fairly aggressive trying to get home that night. With the weather and everything the way it played out.
We're talking about human life being lost.
Yeah.
What made it difficult to get to those people on time?
A lot of what the issue was, there was just so many resources being drained at the time, and there was so many incidents happening at once that everything was stretched pretty thin. Beyond that, access to them was extremely difficult. Whereas normally 911's used to being able to drive a fire truck right up to the call, we were unable to do that.
It's why Metro Fire's Bryce Mitchell says Governor Newsom declaring a state of emergency Wednesday is a huge help. Now Metro Fire has 2 more aircrafts in service than before, with a 4th on the way, complete with this hoist cable and medical equipment to assist paramedics for more potential rescues like this.
The rain's already saturated the ground all the way, so it's not going to take a lot to be right back to where we were a week ago. Our goal is to be ready and have everything in place, so if this system ends up being anything like the last one, everything is where it needs to be.
And Eric, Metro Fire air crews will be staffing operations at least through this weekend. That is in addition to, of course, their boat rescue teams. Live in Sacramento, Kristen Vartan, Fox 40 News.
Kristen, thank you.